Okay, Google, take me home.
Sorry, I didn't understand. To get directions to a destination, you can say something like, get transit directions to CVS, or take me to the closest gas station.
Gas station. Navigate to Zoersel.
Zoo Antwerpen on Koning and Astrid Plane is 1.9 kilometers away. Should I add that destination?
No. Take me to Zoersel city.
I think you want to navigate. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Zoersel.
Okay, I'm setting your destination to Zoersel.
Zoersel, yes. Hey Google, what's the weather forecast?
Currently in Antwerp it's 48 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is for a high of 47 and a low of 37 and clear.
Hey Google, I'm hot.
What should I do to keep you cool?
Hey Google, lower the temperature.
Sure, turning down the temperature.
Activate seat heating.
Okay, turning on the seat heater for the driver.
Activate steering wheel heating.
Got it, turning on the steering wheel heater.
Hey Google, deactivate the seat heating.
Okay, turning off the seat heater for the driver.
Deactivate steering wheel heating.
Alright, turning off the steering wheel heater.
Switch on the AC.
Okay, turning on the AC.
Hey Google, set the temperature to 20 degrees.
Sure, changing the temperature to 20 degrees.
Okay Google, when will I arrive at my destination?
You should...
Yes? Say it. What time will I get to my destination?
You should...
What's my ETA?
You should reach your
What? Say it! Say it! Come on Google, just say it! Hey Google, what's my ETA?
You should reach...
Oh! Hey Google, call home.
To make a call, you'll have to connect your phone to the car via Bluetooth.
Oh! What's on the news?
Here's the latest news. And, when you're finished listening, you'll need to tell me to pause or stop. From BBC News Summary at 9:06 p.m. today.
Hello, I'm Neil Anderson with the BBC News. Officials in Afghanistan say around 30 people have been killed and dozens injured in a bomb blast in the east.
Hey Google, overtake.
On the website merriam-webster.com, they say, English language learner's definition of overtake. To move up to and past by moving faster. British. To go past another vehicle that is moving more
Stop. Come on.
The party never stops.
Hey Google, open
control the volume, say volume up or volume down.
Hey Google, open the audio equalizer.
Playing the equalizer on Spotify.
No! No, 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 no.
In 800 meters, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Road ND, N14.
Nearest charging station.
EV box charging station on Zorselbosdreef is 1.3 kilometers away. Should I add that destination?
No.
Alright, how about EV box charging station on Monnikendreef 2.2 kilometers away?
Yes.
Okay, I'm setting your destination to EV box charging station on Monnikendreef.